Hello everyone, welcome to the Youth Centers channel. My name is Joe. Today I'll present on the best ways to use TikTok without being tracked. The best ways to use TikTok without being tracked. Users can now check and download videos from other profiles on TikTok without being reported by the application. This video will make you understand how it works. Presently, social networks are the main means to obtain personal information about anyone, as it is very common for users to post photos and videos or comments about their personal life. Among the most used social media is TikTok, which alerts the owner of a profile when other people like or comment on videos. However, it is possible without them noticing. So, here is how to watch someone's TikTok without being known. That's simply viewing someone's TikTok profile anonymously. First on these three best ways is access the contents without being logged into your account. Access the contents without being logged into your account. Just log out of your account to do so. Then use the search bar to find the profile of the user you are looking for and enjoy the videos without the TikTok app alerting the owner about your interaction. Number 2. Use your cell phone or computer browser. Use your cell phone or computer browser. It is possible to access TikTok without having to stop the application downloaded on a device. In this method, just open your device browser, search Google for the TikTok website and access it. Number 3. Make a second account. This option is possible both through the TikTok application and through the browser. In this way, just create another account with different names and emails so that no one can identify you and follow the videos of other profiles. Who can follow TikTok content anonymously and why? So far, there are no restrictions on who can follow content anonymously. This means that anyone following the tips mentioned here can follow the profile updates of anyone else anonymously. In general, this tactic can be useful both for the curious who want to stalk someone like friends, family, ex-boyfriends, ex-girlfriends, and others, and for people who have been blocked. If a user blocks you, it will no longer be possible to access his or her videos through your account, and you will need to use one of the tips I have mentioned to access the profile of such user. In conclusion, the three best ways that can be used to access TikTok anonymously are: 1. You must access the content without being logged into your account. 2. You must use your cell phone browser or computer browser to access the TikTok profile. 3. you must make a second account. You may choose to use one of these best ways and you'll be able to access a user's profile on TikTok without being noticed. Thank you for listening. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon to receive further updates from the Youth Center.